birth of Tridasa took place a couple of years ago with a vision to create value to all the customer segments which are involved in the value chain of property development, which includes the landowners, the customers, the vendors and everyone. So,
legacy system, we had Tally accounting software, which was primarily catering to the needs of the finance and accounts team only, and it does not have any information with respect to the procurement or sales or distribution kind of the activities and any other project planning kind of activities. That's where actually we felt that there should be a software which can integrate all facets of the business.
Tridasa, as a new age real estate company, we want to use technology as a core differentiator and decided to go for the ERP implementation right from the beginning to enable us scale up seamlessly and to avoid the pain of transformations.
Tested, internationally acknowledged software. The other very, very important thing for me is, particularly working with somebody like Vamsi who's starting this real estate, is we need to have a very high level of governance and trust. And I personally don't think there is any other product which comes anywhere close to the kind of comfort SAP can give on governance.
That SAP is the best solution for us because we also look for the growth of the business as well as the capacity or the scalability of the ERP system which can meet in our future for our future requirements also. So then we have taken a decision to finalize SAP S4 on a public cloud.
The level of governance that people will respect you when you have something like SAP is very high. Second thing is, undoubtedly productivity improve. SAP will take you to a very different and high orbit.
There are three aspects which I can delve upon when I say we have implemented SAP and in which way it can benefit is mostly into the kind of timely and accurate reporting, and also there is also a lot of compliance requirements that are required wherein I can have the controls on the deadlines and everything and ensure that all statutory compliances are done within the timelines.
I am pretty much very impressed with the depth of the domain expertise Highbar had, and being a new organization, we thought Highbar would appropriately fill the much needed gaps which we had which we might have. To actually bring out the cutting edge industry benchmark practices. So it is in that context we have opted for Highbar.
Somebody who had the domain expertise, somebody like Highbar actually fit the bill exactly, where they had the industry experience, they could bring in the best practices and plug in the gaps our internal team had. So I think that is where Highbar fit the bill to the T. Okay. And we are happy that we are with Highbar.
The reason is we found that they are domain experts, and we, starting fresh, we wanted the best in class. It's not that others would have done a bad job, but we did not want to take any chances. Because if we go in for the best systems, why not go for the best implementing agency?
Customizations the construction industry needs, Highbar has already been there and done that.
We need a real implementation partner who can understand the business and understand the requirements of our company especially, and integrate that with the systems and its functionalities and explaining the same back to the business.
A highly professional organization which has taken up things appropriately and worked seamlessly with our internal teams, and it made it happen on time.
The team that is deployed by Highbar team, it was very good, and the team is very adaptable, and they're able to provide the solutions what we were looking for.
So I think that was a very good decision on our part to partner with Highbar. We have no reason to think of anybody else. Our experience has been extremely good. We hope this will continue for a long time.